Hey guys, what's up? I'm back with another video. And on today's video is going to be so delicious. I'm going to be making for you some blueberry pancakes, and I'm super excited to make you healthy versions of this, but definitely very tasty, super enjoyable. The mouthfeel is there, the flavor is there, everything is there. So let's get right into it. I'm super excited to teach you these pancakes. These are whole wheat pancakes, so we're going to work with whole wheat from now on. And we're going to play around with the ingredient whole wheat. So these pancakes could not be any easier. And I love to make everything super easy for you and also for myself. So the first step that we want to do is zest an orange and zest a lemon. So I'm going to grab a quick lemon and a quick orange. So orange and a lemon. Orange and a lemon. I'm going to get my zester. And this lemon zest and orange zest is going to make these blueberry pancakes pop and taste so delicious. Alright, so the next steps for our blueberry pancakes is to add our ingredients together and make the batter. So let's show you how to make that. So I have the zest of an orange and a lemon in a bowl. Now we're going to add our dry ingredients. So we're going to add 1 cup of whole wheat flour. We're going to add 3 tablespoons of cornmeal, 1 tablespoon of baking powder. We're going to add 2 tablespoons of coconut sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla powder. Whisk this together. Smells good. Now we're going to add 1 cup of water. And we combine just until nothing is dry. Now we're going to let this rest for about 5 minutes in the fridge. I'm so excited for these blueberry pancakes. I'm actually going to make blueberry pancakes and also some banana pancakes. I am super excited for this. Just in case you love and adore blueberry pancakes but you need a recipe for it, well, here is your recipe. So I have my skillet heating up. I have the blueberries already ready. I just need to slice up some bananas. So we're going to get a banana and we're going to slice this into little pieces so we can add them into our pancakes. Perfect. And for the other banana half, I'm going to slice it up and eat it when the pancakes are ready. Alright, so we have our batter ready and we're ready to make these pancakes. So let's get right into it. I'm going to use a scoop. Scoopity-doop. I already tried these pancakes and I love them. They are so good. They are going to be my best friend pancakes for all my pancake cravings for the rest of my life. You gotta wash it down with some milk. Oh yeah. And this is soy milk, by the way. Oh my god, dude. You gotta try this recipe. And I made it super easy so you can make it at home. These are the best American pancakes you'll ever have. Best American whole wheat pancakes. America's back, baby. Woohoo. We have hope, guys. We have hope. These pancakes, they bring me hope. Well, anyways, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for hanging out with me today. And until next time, see you guys. Oh yeah, and I'm gonna try these pancakes more than I should. Pancakes more than I should. Now I'm gonna finish these pancakes.